take your enjoyment to a whole new scale on Small Train Stay at the East Anglian Railway Museum. On Sunday the 9th of October from 10 AM, see a vast array of model railway layouts, including N, OO and O gauge sets. There's a great selection of trader stalls for collectors of all ages, and afterwards, why not enjoy unlimited steam rides on our miniature and life-size railways too. Go online today at earm.co.uk to book your place at a wonderful day out. There's lots for all the family at the East Anglian Railway Museum, so join in the fun on Sunday the 9th of October for Small Train Stay. Love your railway.